Dingo! Welcome to the second part of my video on the numeral system in Ket, where hopefully we're going to try to make some sentences using numbers. Now, I'm trying to make some, these are some of my first sentences here, so maybe they're not going to be completely right, but I think I might have been able to get the basic idea across. So let's take a look in this Ket book, and the first one I'd like to show, or the first thing I'd like to talk about is here we have Sulka Ket, the man on a sled. So suppose maybe Sulka Ket, Bob, the man on the sled, is my father. Of course, just pretending. Budangta, so he has budangta. Dongan sitten. Sulka het dangta. Dongan sitten. So the man on the sled has 3 reindeer. So, moving on. Kine. Sikang bitten. Kine sikang bitten. So here, in this very place, we have 4 rabbits. Kine, we say right here. Good. Let's see. I think, suppose then, here's another sentence I made using the Ket magic number of 7. So, kane tap aktas. Hai. Kane on tap aktas. So those are 7 good dogs over there. Hai. Kane onam tap selas. So over here are 7 good dogs, or I'm sorry, over there are 7 good dogs and 7 bad dogs. So so over there are 7 good dogs. So kane, those over there, kane onam. So on is 7, remember. So onam, those 7, the 7 of those are onam top, kane onam top, those 7 dogs over there. Achtas, so are the good one. Maybe you would say achtasan for the good ones pluralized, but I don't know about that. But achtas is definitely the good one, so that's how we say those are 7 good, maybe 7 good dogs. Kane onam tap achtas. Now, if we and over there are 7 bad dogs. So hai is and. Hai kane onam tap selas. So over there, the 7 of those dogs are the bad one, are bad. So and we use nominalizer s at the end of se, bad. So maybe hopefully I'll get some pointers from my professor on these sentences later, and we can talk about them, and maybe I'll make a correction in the comments to this video. Good. Achtam. So, right now I'd like to read another text out of this book. We did one yesterday about the house of my parents. Ingus Ovanka. Ovangna. Ingus Ovangna. So maybe this one is going to be the first text in the book. And this is Utta Semya. And in this first text, I see a lot of Russian loanwords already. Semya is the Russian word for family. So Utta is my. Atta is I genitive case. So Utta Semya, so my family. Druzhalais Semya. So druzhal, druzhba is Russian word for friend. So maybe get to know my family or something like this. This is in Russian. So this is kind of a maybe rushket. So or ketchen or something like this. This happens a lot to endangered languages that are about to go extinct, unfortunately. I did some research on one language called Norn that was spoken in the Shetland Islands, and this same thing happened to it with Scots. But anyway, it's kind of sad, but this is the state of these languages. Skalois de la kasna. Kasna, this is a ket word. Every druzhba, this is, once again, so Russian word etanga. So every, then Russian friendship, and then back to ket of mine. So ka pomoshik. Once again, we have ket word ka, and this means big, and then pomoshnik means help, a helper. So each of my friendships is a great help, is what it's saying in this Russian ket hybrid. Bildas nanga nara. Bildas nanga. Well, I can already tell you about this, that this is, I'm not sure what bildas means, but nanga is going to be, I think, an additive, I'm sorry, an additive case. Or adhesive, adhesive case ending. I believe that's for plurals, but maybe if I can look in my notebook here, we'll know. Nanga is adhesive case. Or dative case. Dative inanimate. Dative inanimate plural is what this case is. Nanga. Nara achta druzhba. So, achta, good in ket. And then druzhba, friendship in Russian. Very interesting how these languages are blending. Uten hinne. So, achta, I'm sorry, I skipped over a word. Achta, bang dinga. So, bang is the earth, and dinga is once again case ending. Let's see which one that is. Dinga. Yeah, this is dative once again. So, good earth, to the good earth, something like this, to the good earth. Itten hinne. So we are small. So maybe something like in the face of all the earth we are small, something like that. I don't know. But that's what these are beginning to mean. So achta, good. Baten, followed by what I think is a dative case ending. So earth, dative. Itten, we, hinne, small. Siragats is student or teacher, so the one associated with learning. Siragats bilda kaibang. So bilda kaibang, I don't know, but kos druzhnais semya. So druzhnais is druzhnais and semya, both Russian words. Kos, I don't know this word, but siragats is definitely student or teacher. This I also don't know. But I wanted to show you that as kind of an addition to the ket we've been studying recently, because it shows you that it's important, very important, to make a good record of endangered languages so that future generations won't just be speaking these forms that are heavily influenced by super straight languages. Excuse me. Anyway, so that's the lesson for this week, and so I am going to say take care, and I'll see you next time.